Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to give you an update on the one and the only Shiba Inu, baby. Shiba Inu is exploding in terms of price action and volume over the last couple of days or so. So we're going to be covering this from a technical analysis standpoint. Also looking at a new trade for Shiba Inu because we just made a load of money in our previous futures trade. So well done to anyone who is subscribed to the channel, because you would have seen that video and you would have done your own research and got involved with that trade and made some decent gains on the recent Shiba Inu price action. Okay, so there's more to come throughout this video when we go through other trades and future positions that we can be looking at for Shiba Inu. If you're new, drop a little like on it. If you want to subscribe to the channel and never miss one of our uploads here and never miss one of our trades, obviously do your own research, NFA, all that good stuff. But yeah, there's a lot of value on this channel, so if you want to subscribe, you can. Notification bell on, you're never going to miss one of our uploads. Without further ado, let's get straight into this Shiba Inu update, guys. This is super important, super interesting today. Very excited for this one. You can see market cap right now just shy of $9 billion for Shiba Inu. It's 13th in the ranking at this current live time, and it is up 3.48% here over the last 24 hours. Super bullish. As well as that, guys, look at the volume. The volume has exploded here, 69%. Love to see it. 69% in volume over the last 69% gain in volume over the last 24 hours, bringing the volume up to $278 million. Okay, now we did do a little review on Pepe. Okay, and Pepe's volume is near enough shy of $1 billion. Okay, over the last 24 hours. Quite interesting because Shiba Inu is still lacking in that volume competition, but to have $278 million in this current market, $279 million. super bullish. Okay, so let's get into the charts. Let's look at some potential trades here for Shiba Inu for the future, and then also some price predictions here as well. So before we jump into that, guys, just quickly, Crypto Allstars is a crypto meme-based project that is in a pre-sale, and they've just raised $1.5 million. So if you want to get involved with it, guys, go check it out. The links are in the description. It's basically a meme vault where you can stake your meme portfolio and earn passive rewards continuously while you're holding your bags throughout this lovely bull market. Not going to go into too much detail there, but yeah, just a little bit of alpha for you guys that are OGs to the channel. Now, Shiba Inu here on the daily. You can see this is the trade that we were looking at. Previously, we had take profits all the way along up to the Fibonacci 0.618. Really nice trade of 11%. So well done to everyone that did get involved with that. That was super nice, super bullish, and very happy about that one. Now, that's obviously over. We're done with that bad boy. We hit all our TPs. We sailed that bad boy to the moon, okay? Now, what are we looking out for? We're looking out for a new breakout scenario, or potentially a new rejection scenario, okay? Could go either way right now. So let's get into this and let's find some new trades for this asset. So you can see just at the top side here, and this is obviously the height of the bull market right now here for Shiba Inu, has caused a very strong high, okay? And this high has been reflected in terms of price action all the way to the lower side here, causing that resistance from these two pinnacle points, okay? Well, actually one pinnacle point so far, and after that we actually had continuous resistance to the lower side as well. So what does it tell us? It tells us that there is a potential breakout scenario here from this zone. Okay, what I'm referring to now, guys, it is going to be a breakout momentum trade here from one, the Fibonacci, two, the bull market high trend lines, and three, market structure, unconfirmed lower highs, and potentially coming up to confirmed lower highs as well. So let's break it down. So I'm just going to cough it, break it down what I mean by that, and let's get some really nice nice trades in there. So you can see this is going to be the trend line. This is going to be causing that parallel channel scenario, and that's essentially what gives us a very nice clean measure move. This will be the measure move that we're using as a reference for this position here, and you can see the breakout scenario will be something along the lines of this. Currently in one half of it already, but this is going to be the half that we are going to be playing on, okay? And that is going to be roughly worth around, it's not a small amount of cash, guys. It's a 13% move here. So that is definitely a bit of profit that we can be getting involved with. What are we waiting for here, okay? We need to, one, be very vigilant of this rejection. This is super important. We're very likely to get rejected here, okay? So we need to be very patient. But what we're really looking for here is a couple of things. Okay, we're looking for support in this area. This area that I'm referring to is going to be the 0.618 Fibonacci, and with the bullish stance of testing it multiple times here, it's quite likely that we find that support. So for this position to be live and to be active, we want to see a breakout scenario coming up like that. We're not going to blindly enter here, guys. That's not smart. We're waiting for that retest. When then we come down, we have that retest of 1, this trendline support, 1, this Fibonacci level here, and then we're going to be basically trading that retest all the way up for that 13%. You can see momentum here is very, very strong when it comes in our favor, okay? So all of those factors coming in on the same level is super, super bullish, okay? So that's sort of what we're looking for here for that Shiba Inu breakout scenario here. Let me know what you think in the comment section. That's going to be the bullish move. That's going to be the long position that we could be looking out for there. If you want to go short, if you're itching for a short position, I mean, let's get involved with it. Let's break it down, okay? Obviously, we're still currently below the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Previously, we have had very nice price action to the downside. We've also got that massive trend line from the all-time high bull market price here, and you can see that the rejection from this is actually super, I say super so much. It is really strong, okay? So it's quite likely that we do see a bit of pushback here. Not the biggest in the world, because it is starting to take form of a new sort of micro uptrend here, and it's looking pretty good. But what I probably would expect is just a slight move down, okay? Probably something along the lines of this, maybe even playing on this level of support that we have seen previously, acting as resistance and support here. If that is going to happen, then there is actually a short position on the cards. You could potentially short, you could short the Fibonacci retracement on the lower side down for around 5%, okay? That does seem pretty safe to me, quite an easy position here. The chances of us just exploding out and breaking out to the upside here like so, it's quite unlikely. We need to have that that structure, as you see here, that structure, and you can see over the last sort of week or so, we haven't really had that structure at all, okay? We need significant pullbacks. We need pullbacks to create market structure, to create that bullish momentum. Otherwise, it's a parabolic mess to the upside, and the dumps are just going to be absolutely horrific, right? So we need that structure. The structure I'm referring to will be losing the support of the 0.618, taking us down for around 5% there. Super, super nice. Super, super nice. Super bullish there for rewards on the portfolio. Let me know what you think of those positions in the comment section, guys. Drop a little like if you could. And before we end the video for SHIB, I just want to talk to you again very briefly about Crypto Allstars, guys. This is a project that I think has got huge legs, massive, massive potential here. And you can see it's the first ever meme vault. And what this is essentially what they've done. They've taken a massive chunk of their supply and they're basically giving it back to you guys for staking your meme coin portfolios. Super cool business model. Pretty happy with it. And I do think that these guys have got legs. So you can basically stake your Pepe, your Bonk, your Turbo, your Floki, your Mog, throughout this whole, and even Brett, throughout this whole lovely alt season coming through. You can stake your assets and actually earn passive rewards while your assets are staked, right? Super cool, super bullish. They've already raised $1.5 million, guys, so this is not a joke. It's a real thing. And yeah, they've actually got some big investors and stuff in this to actually raise this amount of money, guys. So I do think that this has got legs in terms of just making profit overall from buying the pre-sale and then maybe selling it later on or whatever, right? Definite money to be made. And also, guys, there is audits on these smart contracts as well. These audits are not cheap, okay? They've obviously got budget in the bank here. Super interesting to see. And if you guys want to get involved with it, you can. All the links are in the description. You can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, card, so Visa or MasterCard, I do believe. And yeah, super easy. Links are in the description. Go check it out if you want to. Obviously not financial advice, all that good stuff there. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now. Catch you in the next one.